easy as long as you follow a couple of simple rules. All you have to do is remember if your answer is going to be positive or negative. As you know, if you multiply two positive numbers together, you get a positive answer. So 2 multiplied by 4 equals positive 8. But if both numbers were negative, the answer would still be positive. This is because if you multiply two negative numbers together, the negative signs cancel each other out to make a positive answer. So negative 3 multiplied by negative 2 is positive 6. Now if you have a positive number multiplied by a negative number, or a negative number multiplied by a positive number, then in this case your answer will always be negative. So negative 5 multiplied by 2 will equal negative 10, and 3 multiplied by negative 1 will equal negative 3. So if you are multiplying two numbers and they are either both positive or both negative, your answer will always be positive. But if you are multiplying a positive number and a negative number, the answer will always be negative. Have a go at this question. Negative 2 multiplied by negative 6. Pause while you think about your answer. We can see that both of these numbers are negative, which means we know the answer will be positive. Then all we have to do is multiply 2 and 6 to get our answer, positive 12. Have a go at this question too. 5 multiplied by negative 3. Pause and play again when you are ready. In this case, we have both a positive number and a negative number, so we know our answer will be negative. 5 multiplied by 3 is 15, so our answer is negative 15. Have a go at these questions. Pause while you find the answers. Here are the answers. Now you know how to multiply negative numbers when two numbers are involved. Let's have a look at multiplying three numbers. When multiplying three numbers together, it is easiest to think through the questions in stages. Let's look at negative 4 multiplied by negative 2 multiplied by negative 3. We can break this question down into two stages. Firstly, let's take negative 4 multiplied by negative 2. As both of these numbers are negative, we know the answer will be positive, and 4 multiplied by 2 is 8, so you get positive 8. Now you have positive 8 multiplied by negative 3. As we have a positive number multiplied by a negative number, we know the answer will be negative. 8 multiplied by 3 is 24, so the answer is negative 24. So although two negative numbers multiplied together will give you a positive answer, three negative numbers multiplied together will give you a negative answer. Here is another example. Negative 6 multiplied by negative 2 multiplied by positive 4. Looking at the first stage of this question, negative 6 multiplied by negative 2, we can see that both of these numbers are negative, so the answer will be positive. And 6 multiplied by 2 is 12, so we get positive 12. Now we have 12 multiplied by 4, which is 48, so the answer is 48. Have a go at this question. 5 multiplied by negative 3 multiplied by 2. Pause the video while you find the answer. Taking this question in stages, first we need to work out 5 multiplied by negative 3. As we are multiplying a positive number and a negative number, we know the answer will be negative, and 5 multiplied by 3 is 15, so we get negative 15. Now we have negative 15 multiplied by 2. Again, as we have a negative number multiplied by a positive number, we know the answer will be negative, and 15 multiplied by 2 is 30, so the answer is negative 30. Here are some questions for you to try. Pause while you find the answers. Here are the answers. Let's summarize multiplying negative numbers. If you multiply a negative number and a positive number, your answer will always be negative. If you multiply two negative numbers together, your answer will always be positive. If you multiply 3 numbers together, you need to break the question down into stages. If you multiply 3 negative numbers together, your answer will always be negative.